Bam. Polish those edges right up.
Glad you like it, Susan.
It's money, money. Money ball. You good down there? Let me see.
You tell me.
You dead on?
It ain't getting better.
Yeah, that's good. Let me see that.
You got this piece too, ain't you?
Yes,
Partial.
we do. Get out of here. Yes, love it. Love it. Hey, save those. We'll use them as doors. Are you kicking me? Yeah. Good.
That bag of clear.
All right, y'all, look, check it out. So I know we got some explaining to do. We're getting ready to cover that. There's a reason and a method behind all this. So we want to point out before we talk to you about what's going on over here. Check out this tile. We staged this out here because we wanted you to see what it is we're working with. Okay, so this is the color scheme. This is going to be this wall here up to here only. That's also going to be transferred over to this inner wall here. Okay, because all these colors are right here in this floor, and there's so many variations of color in this floor, you just can't go wrong. So this is obviously the main spread. We needed all this on first to get the rock up there on the beams to sew up everything. Okay, Billy started over here, I started over here. We kind of worked all this together. The idea was we had all this laid out in perfection on the front side, full tile working in with the niche set here in the middle. And the difference is obvious. For one, this is a 7-foot wall where this is 5. So there's the big difference of why the stoppage is here. But anybody who scribes tile knows already what I'm getting ready to say. The next tile that actually come in on this row is right here at this mark. It does not leave us enough room here to scribe rock into that tile. So that's why it's off the equation. This wall was different math. We liked where this ended. This gives us enough room to bring the rock. Imagine that rock up there on the beam covered every dimension. And we're going to get this to trickle down into the next piece. So we can't have the next piece set yet. We're going to take 3 tile exactly like this, lay them out, get them to cut in here, and then we're going to take the rock and set it how we want it to hit in that tile, scribing all those in. Same with this side. So this is going to be really cool when it's done. We're going to pull, anytime you scribe, you really don't want a uniform pattern, anything like that. It needs to look, haphazard.
Yep.
So we're going to play with it. Yeah, natural. All this beam up here is going to match this floor tile. So if you can picture that, we wanted to come off this beam and kind of come over this direction here to get back towards like a waterfall type deal. This one here is going to be a little shorter just because of the math here of both of the tiles. We're going to have them all bleed back down into this floor. We got a cool piece coming right here. Cool piece. So we got a couple more tricks up our sleeve, but we just wanted to explain that to anybody viewing who may not have known. That way they wouldn't hit us with the question. We just go on and tell them. Yeah. So that's it in a nutshell. We'll dry fit these, lay them out in there on a long floor. Same with these right here. We're going to put everything like we want it, do all the hours on end of work, scribing all those into the tile, come in here and set these pieces, and then literally put those rocks in play and start working all that to both corners. So it's going to turn out super cool, man. We all put a lot of hard work into this, not just today, but just about every day. Tile's getting ready to fall on you there, bro. Yep. But several different variations and, you know, just everything trying to come together. It's well thought out. Well thought out. And with 3 of us here, plus the homeowners, everybody's eye is everywhere. I mean, we all feel, you know, a lot of gratitude. We're not going to miss anything with this many eyeballs, everything looking. So with that being said, let's go get the homeowners. They haven't seen it yet. Let's show them what's going on. All right. So we got Mr. Jim in here.
Whoa.
So here's where we're at. Everybody viewing at home,
Webster, stay
Mama Bear's out running an errand. She'll see it here later on, but we just wanted to tune you in. We kind of explained everything earlier. These are left off on purpose. This is what we were all talking about, describing into it. So everything is done to a T. The next phase will be laying these out, putting the rock in there kind of where we want it, zipping all those out, each individual one, and then that will come down. So you're going to get more tile over here. It's just according to how much. You know what I'm saying? That way we can scrap all that rock into it.
Goes well with the floor.
Yeah, well, we got that floor all tidied up, cleaned up. We wanted y'all to be able to see everything kind of going on. And now you can kind of picture things that aren't done yet a lot better. Grabbing all that, kind of looking up, I can see the beams done now. You know, now that it's down there on the floor. We staged that marble guy over here on the side just to kind of give you the colors that are going to pull from that. That's going to look really, really nice when these curves come together up here. You know, one of our favorite parts is tomorrow. We're going to pop this backdrop here in this niche.
You already got the thing? You already made it?
No, we're getting ready to make it.
Oh.
Yeah, we're going to make that tomorrow. So everybody at home, you know what time it is. We're getting ready to pop that niche out tomorrow. We're going to show you what's going on and how we're getting ready to go about it. It's going to bring all this together. No doubt.
This is wonderful.
What do you think, fellas?
Unbelievable.
Yeah. So we'll be coming over here in the morning to drop them clamps out. And then we've got something that's going to go in there so we can dry fit it. And then we're going to turn right around and leave and take it with us. And if you watch tomorrow night, we'll air the video. You can sit back and see it.
Yeah, I will.
Watch us make that all the way through to the finish. We'll bring it out here early next week and pop it in.
Awesome.
Yeah.
This is great, guys. Excellent. Just excellent.
Well, thanks everybody for tuning in. Appreciate you guys as always. And like I said, Mama Bear will be home here soon. She's out running some errands and she'll get to see it herself. But don't miss out over the weekend where we're going to be airing that epoxy and everything like that and getting that niche wrapped up. So stick it out, stick with us. We're getting there. Till the next one.